Hi, my name is Brent Tremblay, and we are here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas, and we are showcasing some updates to our USB Neo product line. So we have two new transmitter and receivers that'll start shipping a little later this year in October. Just smaller form factor units, same great technology. So we'll do a quick demo just to show what these products do. So what we offer is auto switching at the table location. So we can see here we're in a Teams environment. We have the Teams splash page here. So I'll go ahead and just plug in USB-C to my MacBook. And as soon as that hot plug detects, it'll share the content up to the screen. But because we're outside of a call, my PC will now become the host. So you can see we're connected here. So if I open up and start a Zoom call, you can see that it'll pick up the camera and all the peripherals in the room there. But of course, if we are doing a call in a Teams room, we don't want this to be the host. We really want the MTR to be the host. So once we start the call from the Teams equipment, what we're doing is we're shifting all the peripherals back to the MTR where they should be, and then making sure that we don't break the room or take away peripherals where they shouldn't be. So that's part of what makes the USB Neo product very special and very unique. So for more information on USB Neo and IDK, you can visit our website at www.idkav.com. Thank you.